Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is another unboxing, and are you guys checking out this beauty? OMG, I am obsessed with this box. It is so cute. This is from Veronica, Buzzing with V. I'm gonna have a link down below. I'm sure you guys know who she is. She does the cutest crafts, and she gave me a sneak peek on Instagram of what my birthday challenge entry looked like, and I nearly died, you guys. It was so cute, and it's here. Yay! Thank you so much, girlie, for entering my challenge. You know I love you to pieces. And yeah, who's ready? I put a sneak peek on my stories on Instagram because, you guys, I'm saving this box forever and ever. I love it so much. It's so cute. And let me see if I can fix the lighting up in here. If I shut this computer light off, oh no, it might get too dark. What should I do? Maybe I should just leave that light on. Okay. So here's her card. You guys, Veronica has like the cutest detail. I love her work. Look at her card. How cute is this? I don't know if she wrote. Yep, she did. She wrote me a note inside. There's cute little confetti. Aww. Thank you so much. And you guys, are you ready for this? She left me a note inside that if she wins my giveaway, that if she wins the Cricut, she wants to gift it to Soleil. How amazing is this girl? So if she wins the Cricut, she doesn't even want it for herself. She wants to re-gift it to Enchanted by Crafts, which is Soleil. So OMG, that is amazing, girl. You are and continue to be super inspirational. I'm telling you, she's amazing. And if you guys don't follow her, go check her out. Go follow her. She's amazing. Now, mind you guys, I have not looked at anything. I only looked at the beginning of the box because I didn't want to go through it. I want my initial reaction. I feel like the box is making my light look weird. Are you guys seeing this? I saw that when she hauled these and I was obsessed. And she sent me not one, but two. Are you guys seeing these? They are so cute. Oh my gosh, Veronica, thank you so much. She's the sweetest, you guys. Like, she literally has me up on her bio as her inspiration. And that is just so, like, heartwarming to me. Like, she's amazing. She's always the sweetest. She's always messaging me. Oh my gosh, look at all this beauty. I'm so excited. Look at these little rosettes. Oh, I think I have to cough. Hold on. Sorry, you guys. Look at these rosettes that she made with the organza that I'm yet to get my hands on, by the way. Look at this. How cute is this? These are gorgeous. They're gorgeous. She's so creative. She sent me cotton candy gum. All right, let's take everything out of the box because I see this gorgeous flip and I cannot wait to show you guys. Oh, okay. Let's take all this out. Look at this, you guys. Are you guys looking at this? Look at those colors. Oh, where's this balloon from? Right here. I need to put it back. I need to put it back. I got you, girl. There you go. Okay, so we're gonna let that. And look at all these little bags, you guys. Oh, this has been the best birthday ever. You guys always make my birthday like amazing. There's a little organza bag. You guys are seeing this? Did you make this bag, girl? I know you guys saw her tutorial for these little puffy hearts and they feel like store-bought, you guys. So cute. Look at this girl. She's too much. OMG. Oh my gosh, I can't even deal. She sent me all three of them? Look at this. She decorated everything so cute. Look at these little candies. I saw these on her channel also. Look at these. These are so cute. Little puffy hearts. Oh my gosh, look at the way she decorated this box. She's too much. I can't with you. I cannot. Another little heart. Not a heart, another little candy. All right, so I'm gonna fix this box because I'm saving this forever. This is definitely gonna be displayed in my craft room because it's gorgeous and you did an amazing job and I can't part with it. So we're gonna move that to the side and then look at her like cute little confetti. Okay, I dropped a bunch of stuff here as I went to grab the glue gun. Okay, let me drink some water before I get into this because I can tell that I'm gonna get so excited. So I need some water. I gotta prep for you guys because you guys are coming with your A game. Look at this. Look at this. So we're gonna save the tag flip. You guys already saw, so I can't even talk. Her cute little puffy hearts. Look at these, they're so pillowy, so cute. Is that even a word? And you guys, look at her embellishments. Do you guys see that? Look at the layers on that. Gorgeous. Simply gorgeous. I love it. I love it. And these, I can't with you. These are gorgeous. Simply stunning. I can't open this. Like, you really think I'm gonna use these stars? You think I'm gonna tear these open? No, these are gonna be displayed forever and ever. So I showed you guys my little candies. Now we're gonna open these little bags. Okay, I need to sit because my back is killing me. And I've been filming for you guys like a crazy woman. So then before I open that one, I want to open this. Look at this little organza bag. Girl, you need to tell me if you made this because I think you did. Because I think you did. And look, she sent me a bunch of rosettes. Look at these gold rosettes, you guys. Some Maggie Holmes ones. These little ones. I love them. I love them. I love them. And this bag is too cute. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay. I'm like all types of excited. And these little candies are adorable. All right, I don't even know where to go. She got me all crazy over here. What is this? Oh wait, I think she put a little piece of tape here. I like that. I like that you did that, V. Because I don't have to break the bag. Oh wait, maybe I can pull the tape. And like really not mess up the bag. Yep. Yes, I can. Ooh, what is this? Is this some candy? Yes, it is. These are wifey's favorite. And I think she is going to rob me of those. I think the only thing I'm going to get from this right here is the bag. But there's 2 in a pack. So she's going to have to share. She's going to have to. She actually sent. No, you didn't, girl. She sent one for wifey, for my daughter, and for me. So this is mine, and I'm saving this one for my girls. I can't with you. I'm done. I'm done. Thank you so much, V. I'm telling you. She's amazing. I'm so excited to go through this. This is so beautiful. Are you guys ready to see her tag flip? I'm like 10 minutes in and it's just like I'm dying over her stuff. Look at this. cute little pom-pom. Look at this charm. Look at these colors. Are you guys seeing these colors? And look at her tassel. It looks so magical. You guys see that? Gorgeous. So I'm gonna go through each page right here because I feel like if I go up high, the lighting gets a little distorted because it's super late. Look at this one. It's so cute. She's got her little balloons. It says she did stitching. She did layering. It's just like, oh, look at this. Gorgeous. You're just going to hear me say gorgeous, stunning, beautiful, cute, because that's exactly what this tag flip is. She used a bunch of collections. Hooray. Good vibes. Look at this. I think, did she use Hooray? Or is it all good vibes? Look at the little party hat. A bunch of my favorite things she put on this tag flip. So cute. Look at the little candies, you guys. Look at this little shaker with all the little birthday confetti. I can't even. Look at all these chunky layers. Are you guys seeing this? V, you outdid yourself like always. This is gorgeous. Look at this. Do you guys see this? She's got organza back there and it has like a shaker. The cute little banner. And look, you guys, she gifted me these cute little like triangle studs from Maggie Holmes, and this is from, I forgot the collection, but I've never owned these before, so this is definitely going in my Maggie Holmes cart, which will never be opened. There's a little pom-pom clip. V, I can't even deal with you. I'm sending you big hugs, girly, big hugs, because you always spoil me. You are the best. And then on top of that, if you win, you want to gift the Cricut to someone else. I'm done. I am done with her. You're the best. I love this. This is amazing. I want you guys to leave V a comment down below and let her know how amazing her entry is. This is just too much. Thank you so much, girly, for entering my challenge, for constantly supporting me, constantly showing me so much love. I love you so much. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.